Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to convert your Python code to the EXE file or create a package from your Python code that can be run in Windows, on Linux or other operating systems. I have a Python file in here. It is a test5.py. As you see, it is a Python code. If I run this code, it prints some string for me at the end. Wait 5 minutes and exit from running. I want to convert this Python code to an exe file. I'm using Anaconda, so I go to the Anaconda and open Anaconda prompt. In Anaconda prompt, you need to install PyInstaller. If you don't have a PyInstaller, you need to type pipe install PyInstaller. This package is used for converting Python code to the exe file. It is my Python code in here. I want to convert it to the exe file to run. You can also install PyInstaller in a command window just by running pip install PyInstaller. So the PyInstaller is installed for you because I have this package in this, so it shows that I already has this package in my install. It is very simple. You just need to after installing type PyInstaller. If you see this message, it shows that you install PyInstaller successfully. For converting your Python code to exe, you need to go to the directory that you have the Python code. For this, you need to convert the current directory to this directory. In Windows, you need to copy this path and type cd and the path and enter and type d. As you see, the path in a Anaconda prompt changed to the place of the Python code. So I just need to type PyInstaller and the name of my Python code. As you see here, it is a test5.py. test5.py. And the converting starts. And if you see this message complete successfully, it shows that the PyInstaller worked correctly. Go to the dist and test the file. And in here you can find the exe file of your code. It has the same name to your original Python code. Run as an installer. As you see, and wait 5 seconds and exit. Thank you for your watching.